Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath here it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Black MB text interior. GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, keyless entry, heated seats, memory seats, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, push start ignition, 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to give it a voice command like any smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLA has 12,091 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.